aquarium here in the oceanarium. It has a depth of 3.3 meters and a surface area of 300.
Yaw ka nakaon niya.
Ay, po. Dang.
Si Dubo.
Unang dugo?
Hindi. Tsura ito si Dubo.
It has more than 1,000 fish.
Masigat. Wala sila ng tubig.
We aim to show the incredible biodiversity in our country.
Sap-sap na. Ang ako.
Observe the different species coexisting with one another in much the same way they would in a natural coral-free ecosystem. Before we proceed, a few reminders once again. Flash photography is not allowed as this causes undue stress to the marine animals. Food and drinks are not allowed. Please conduct yourselves in an orderly manner at all times. Children should refrain from running, shouting, and should remain with their parents or guardians throughout the journey.
May mo kala ni amo ni mo ding-ding sa balayo.
Strictly prohibited.
Ay, just lang. Kasi
Ano pakain siguro sa kanina
We
siya.
would like to remind everyone to maximize your time inside the
ano,
pool
okay,
by utilizing the feedback cross and other activities.
Sa dalom ni ka tubig di ka baybay.
Oo.
Ari nas ka ng baybay.
Oo ah.
kaya naging fishing. Tutok na duro eh.
Worse.
Vertical groups sila. Ganito pala ako kasi wala
Stingray.
sila ng tubig.
Ano dula si Lola? Sino din lang? That's my Lola. Da ako siya.
Kaya pala, ang dami. Mabuti, hindi tumabi. Ano may tao? May tao, wala ka to. Madala mo di si Mana.
Uy, hindi nila.